What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. And today on the channel, I'll be doing a review of the Supcase iPhone SX Max Unicorn Beetle Sport Athletic Case. Now you can get this on Supcase.com, and I'll put the link in the description, and they're gonna run you $20 for these cases. Alright. Now I did this review already for this case right here, same case, but this was the black and gray color. And Supcase sent me out 2 more colors to add to the collection. So we're gonna open them up and we're gonna check those out. All right, so the first one is the blue and gray. Take it out of there. And then the second one is the red and white. All right, so I got 3 of the 4 colors. They come in yellow, which I don't have, blue gray, red white, black gray. All right, so that's the colors that they come in. You see what the black gray looks like on the phone. Real nice look. You got Supcase branding right there with, I think, holes for a lanyard. All the cutouts. See what they looking like. They looking official. Alright, so I'm gonna try these other 2 cases on and see what they look like. You see the case comes on. You can apply it easily and you can remove it easily, so you're not gonna have no problems putting this case on your device or taking it off. Same branding right there, Supcase with the lanyard straps, I believe. Real nice look. I really like the red and white. Got my Spurs color right here. Then I got the red and white, so we're gonna go Chicago Bulls, and then we're gonna go OKC with this one, Oklahoma City Thunder. So let's try this last one on real quick. And you get the same deal. You dig? Same deal. Easy on, easy off. Beautiful looking case. You got that protection, Supcase burning right there with your lanyard strap. So you're gonna get drop protection. That you got a little bit of bezel right there to protect your camera. You know what I mean? That protruding camera that Apple loves to give us. Then we got a little bit of lip on the case to protect that screen. I feel like it's more at the top and the bottom than it is on the sides. The sides look kind of flush, but the top and the bottom edges look like they're a little bit raised to give you a little bit more protection. You probably got some type of corner protection, you know what I mean, as far as dropping it on the corner. But all in all, this right here is a nice line of cases. And if you're in the market for a good looking case, it's gonna be sturdy, protect your device, you know what I mean, this is the way to go. Supcase right here will hook you up with premium designs, premium quality products. These cases also have built-in heat dissipation function for, anybody who's a gamer. If you're sitting there playing a game, your phone gets hot, your device gets hot, it's not going to sit there and let that heat just build up inside of there and mess up your phone. These holes are going to let it ventilate to where your phone device shouldn't get too hot. These cases can also be used with wireless chargers, and you notice that they are dual toned cases. The parts of the case are TPU material. Now also, I got my Supcase watch case. You see that UB on there too, and this is for the Apple Watch Series 4 44 millimeters, so I do have that. I'll put the link in the description with this too. So if you're interested in buying this, you can buy this. I did do a video to this, so I'll put that video in the link also, so you can check it out if you're interested in that. But it's D.O. aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you not follow me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.